Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another super exciting unboxing, actually two, and yeah, one is from Lagos and one is from Nordstrom. So if you want to see what it is I have, stick around. All right, guys, I'm super excited tonight. I can't wait to dig into these boxes, but first, I want to share with you my bag of the day. Yes, it is my Speedy Trunk 20. So I've been carrying this bag ever since I unboxed it last weekend. Now next week, I'm going to do mod shots. I'm going to show you the different options wearing this bag. I'm also going to share with you what fits inside. I've had so many requests for mod shots, and also I've had requests, people want to see the inside of the bag. So we're going to do a thorough review and a first impressions on this gorgeous Speedy Trunk 20. I love it, you guys. I love it so much. And a few of you have told me that you too have ordered it. Some people are trying to get it and can't get a hold of it. This is going to be a hard to get bag. And yeah, I knew it, and I'm so glad that I got it. But I wish everybody that is hoping to try to get a hold of this bag good luck, because it's a fantastic bag. I also have some artwork to share with you. All right, guys. So I have this. It's just a Christmas ball, and I painted it on wood. All right. And it is, I'm not sure exactly if I even have a measuring. It's not that big. It's probably about a 6 by 6, I would say. Something like that. And it's a square, and you can sit it on an easel. So these are $65. So if you're interested in this, I do take Venmo, and I take PayPal, friends and family. So this one, it's the red one. I love it. It's got a little glow going on here. I also have the blue one, and it's a little different, a little bit different on this one. It's got some berries and some greenery. Well, they both do, and they would be a beautiful set. So these would be perfect on a canvas, like I said, and they're on a piece of wood. I signed the back of it, and I dated it. So these are $65 each. And then I have something a little bit different, a little gingerbread man. And again, he is $65. So if you're interested in any of my Christmas artwork, just let me know. First come, first serve, $65, Venmo, or PayPal, friends and family. All right, guys, this is not going to be a long video. I'm trying to keep my videos shorter because honestly, when I look at my analytics, and it's like this for everybody because we talk about it. If you do like a 25-minute video, you are lucky to get 10 minutes of viewing. There are some people that do watch your entire video. I watch all of my friends' entire videos. As a matter of fact, if I'm going to watch a video, I'm going to watch the whole thing. But a lot of people just skip on to the unboxing, and that's okay. But I am trying to keep my videos shorter. But I just wanted to tell you guys a really quick story. Oh my gosh, you guys, I witnessed the craziest thing last night. I was cleaning in the kitchen. You would think I was nesting or about to give birth, because I've been in a cleaning mood like crazy lately. But anyway, I had a candle going, and there was a red wasp flying around in the kitchen. So I went and got a fly swat. I was going to swat it, and I think it saw me. I really do. I think it knew that I was about to swat it, and it took a nosedive. I swear, right into the hot wax, right into my candle. It was one of those jar candles. It was similar to this one here. It was like this. It was a double wick, and it was about halfway full, and it was full of hot wax. And the red wasp made a nosedive, I swear, right into the, right into the hot wax. It freaked me out a bit. I'm not kidding. Suicidal red wasp. I've never seen a suicidal wasp before, but I think he knew that I was going to swat him, and he just dove to his death, to his demise, into a pool of hot wax. It really freaked me out. He's still down there. He's still down there stuck in the hot wax. I tell you, it was the first time for everything. There's a first time for everything, you guys, but it was really, really weird. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Now, this one, I saw it, and I may or may not love it. I'm not sure. It was one of those late night purchases, you know, when I should be in bed, but I'm up, you know, doing my shenanigans. And I saw it, and I thought, I like it. I want to look at it, and it's okay. Let me just show it to you. Stop dilly-dallying, right? And yeah, it's not exactly packaged the way it's supposed to be because Keith tore into my box. He tore into my box, but it is from Lagos, and this is a beautiful Philadelphia based brand from Philly, and Dawn loves couture. I'll link her down below. She did turn me on to Lagos, so this is a piece that I don't know, piqued my interest, and I thought I'm gonna order it and see if I like it. If I don't, I'll send it back. So let's just take a look. Lagos, okay? They have the prettiest jewelry. It's similar to David Yurman. I've always been a Yurman gal. I do love Lagos though, and so I thought I would go ahead and pick it up and, you know, take a look at it. All right, so just open up the box and you've got a cleaning cloth inside of here that says Lagos, and it tells about the jewelry. Since 1977, Lagos has been a pioneer in designer fine jewelry and blah, 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 blah. Okay, so you can read it for yourself. And it is in this little, whatever this is, little pouch. It's in this little pouch. And I'm a bracelet girl. I'll go ahead and tell you, it is a bracelet, a very simple one. But, oh, how pretty. It is a, let me put it up against this. It's just a sterling silver Lagos bracelet, and it has the caviar beading. Is this going to show up? Is this going to show up? Okay. It has the caviar beading all around it. So it doesn't open. It's not a clasp. It's just a simple sterling silver Lagos bracelet. And I ordered a medium. So let's see if it fits. Perfect. Oh, I love it. I love it. You know, this would be really pretty with my thinner Hermes bracelets. I just love a bangle. And yeah, so it's a size medium, and I just have a small to medium wrist. So maybe, let me just come closer. Okay, there, you can see the beads. You can see the beads right there. I've got several pair of Lagos earrings, but I just really like this. I thought it was so simple and elegant, and sometimes you just want a little something, right? And it'll also pair well with my David Yurman jewelry. You guys, I've had such a rough year, and I'm just treating myself all over the place, and there's nothing wrong with that. I know Christmas is coming up, but this is another little something from me to me, and I got it at Nordstrom. No. I did not get it from, I ordered it directly from Lagos. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Anyway, I love it. Just a little slip-on bracelet. I'd like to have some more Lagos bracelets in the future. Like I said, I have several pair of earrings, but this is really pretty, really dainty, and I like it. It has a pretty little presence on my wrist. All right, guys, so that's a win, because I ordered it, and I thought, if I don't like it, I'll just send it back. Because we don't have luxury shopping where I live. I live down here in Alabama. We do have luxury shopping in Birmingham, nothing in Huntsville. And I live kind of right between Birmingham and Huntsville. But anyway, really happy with that. Let me just sling the box there. Believe it or not, you guys, my office is clean, and I want to try to keep it that way. All right, you guys, are you ready for boxing number 2? All right, Before we do boxing number 2, I was going to tell you, you also get a catalog with some really pretty jewelry to look at. You get a cleaning cloth. Did I already say that? I don't know. I'll see when I edit. But also, the price on this bracelet is $200. And it is a designer bracelet. Now, I know you can get a silver bracelet for much cheaper, but it is a Lagos. I like it. What the heck? So I just thought I'd go ahead and include the price. All right, you guys. So I tore the address off here. Now, this is a Nordstrom purchase. Let me cut the tape. Where is my cutter? Where is it? Okay, here we go. All right. Let's see what it is I got this time. Okay, now, I'm excited about this one. All right, let me get it out of the package. Oh my so cute. You guys, cheetah print is all the rage and it's really in style for fall. And I saw this and I thought this would be really cute this winter. It's just like a cheetah print bucket hat, just a little fluffy hat. So let me go ahead and put it on. Oh, how cute. Ooh, I love that. Oh, it's so, so cute. Okay. What do you guys think about my little hat? I think it was like 16 bucks or something like that. And I just thought, it's not the fluffiest. It's not quite as fluffy as what I thought it was, but I like it, you guys. So I'll get a lot of wear out of this. Super cute little bucket hat. So I saw that and thought, I'm just going to grab that because it was super cheap. It's very, very soft. $19. $19. Okay? My little cheetah print bucket hat. I love cheetah print with red. All right. Then I got another item in this box by Uggs. Yes, I got some more Uggs. You can never have too many Uggs. Let me know if you guys are Ugg lovers. I love Uggs. Okay, let me look in here. This is the second pair of Uggs I've actually bought this year. All right, so I got this pair. And these are called the Tasman. I think that's the name of them. Let's look in the box. Yeah, the Tasman, T-A-S-M-A-N, and I got a size 8. In the black, there's all different colors, but I needed some black. The last ones I got were brown, and I just like this slip-on style. These would be great with just about anything, especially leggings. So I like these, and I'd probably wear these around the house a lot. Let me get the other one out and share with you. I love Uggs. Years ago, I had some Uggs, and Keith called them my stormtrooper boots. They went over my knees, you guys. And I haven't ever seen another pair like them, and I wore them for several winters, and he hated them because I'm not like the tallest person in the world, but he just did not like them. But anyway, I'm going to link these below. I'll link the hat below, and I'll try to find the bracelet somewhere else if I can link it below for you guys. I just came across it one day and thought I'm going to try it. But anyway, these are my Uggs, super comfortable. And yeah, I'm a total Ugg girl. So that is my haul, you guys. Nothing, you know, well, Lagos is luxury, but this is kind of a, you know, a cheaper purchase for Lagos. I mean, you can buy some really expensive Lagos. It comes in gold. You can get pearls. There's all kinds. But anyway, you guys, thank you, Dawn, for introducing me to such a fabulous brand. I really do love it. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Now, remember, I am going to do the requested video on my bag, my beautiful Speedy Trunk 20. And you guys, I just love it. I have noticed that the chain just kind of hangs under here. And I would love it if it were more kind of like that. But anyway, I'm going to go over all the pros and cons and let you guys know my first impressions and do some, God forbid, some mod shots. I'm not really a mod shot kind of gal. I hate doing mod shots. Anyway, I am going to go over this bag thoroughly for you guys next week. So probably on Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. Please do subscribe to my channel. I have gotten quite a few subscribers lately. I'm trying to get to 7K. Join my fam jam, you guys. We have all kinds of fun here. And you never know when I'm going to give away a painting, right? I said I'm going to give away it for sure when I get to 7,000, but I might give away something during Christmas. And also, if you guys are interested in my artwork, these are for sale. They are about a 6x6. That would be cute together, sitting on a shelf on a little easel. And heck, buy them all, you guys. Just buy my artwork. People are always saying, show your artwork, show your artwork. So this is what I've painted lately. And yeah, I'm kind of in a watercolor kind of mood here lately. But anyway, guys, before I get off track, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a fabulous week, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Peace.